If you want to perform a scan for unknown trackers on the Pixel 9a, then you can quickly do this by going to the settings, and then you will have to scroll down into security and the privacy, and here you have to go for the device finders. Go into the unknown track alerts. There's the short information that the alerts will be deleted after 48 hours when it will be pop-ups. And here you can also enable manual scan, so it's gonna actually just scan nearby and just wait. As you can see, in my case, I can find actually 3 Apple AirTags, and there's actually first detection. And when I'm gonna tap on it, I can play sound of that detected tracker. Just like this. And right now I can hear that. And I can just go back. Thanks for watching.